Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, find your internet connection. If you're using cable, it will be Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, it will be Wi-Fi of course. And then make sure that this option right here is turned off. So this is the first step. Next step, what you need to do here is to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then you'll see data usage, and it will be the list of the apps that uses your internet, right? So if you don't use some of the apps and they use quite a lot of your data, you can simply go to installed apps and basically uninstall these apps. Next step, what you need to do here is to go to view network connections, just right, then find your internet connection. It can be Wi-Fi, it can be Ethernet. Go to properties, make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then look for Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Look if it's improved. If it's not improved, then you can write here 1.1.1.1, and on alternate DNS you need to write 1.0.0.1. Then look if you're getting more speed or not. Then what you need to do here is to open up CMD, command prompt, run as admin. Then here you need to put a few commands. So first one, IP config space /flush DNS. Another command is windsock reset. After that, go to settings, then go to network and internet, advanced network settings and network reset, and reset your network. And then just restart your computer and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it.